Once you've made papaya like this, you won't want to eat it any other way. Here, I'm going to use a large pawpaw. I've already taken off the top. Now I'm going to remove all the seeds. Now, in a smaller container, we're going to add 200 grams of sour cream, 200 grams of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now we just have to mix all of this really well. Once mixed, add 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin that's already hydrated, and let's mix again. Now guys, we just have to take it and pour everything into the center of our papaya. Everything's ready, now we just need to refrigerate until it chills. And look at how incredible this papaya dessert turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious, and super beautiful for your dessert.
I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe here from the Pour in the Kitchen. Take care until next time, and it was worth it.